Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming of achieving salon-smooth skin without spending hours or money in salons, then this video is just for you. Today, I'm reviewing the Braun Smart IPL Skin Expert Pro 7, one of the most advanced and luxurious hair removal devices available right now. This isn't just another IPL, this is the world's first intelligent IPL that literally learns and adapts to your unique skin tone. It's designed to give you visible hair reduction up to 95% in just 4 weeks, with long-lasting smooth results that can last up to 2 years when used consistently. What I love most is that it brings real professional-grade results right to your home. No appointments, no waiting, no pain, just effortless smooth skin whenever you want. Unboxing and accessories. Let's take a look at what you actually get inside the box. Right at the top, you'll find the Braun Smart IPL Pro 7 device, elegant, sleek, and super premium in hand. Then you get 2 smart precision heads for different body areas, a Venus razor for pre-treatment shaving, a facial trimmer, and a luxurious travel pouch, perfect for organizing everything neatly. Every detail of this packaging screams quality, from the smooth matte finish to the way each accessory fits perfectly in place. When it comes to design, Braun has really nailed it. The device is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to maneuver, even for long sessions. The controls are intuitive, with a single main button and intelligent indicators that show exactly when the flash is ready. It's corded, so you never have to worry about charging batteries. Just plug in and go. Usage demo and experience. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. Before starting, simply shave the area you want to treat. The included Venus razor works perfectly for that. Then glide the device gently over your skin. It automatically adjusts the intensity level based on your skin tone using Skin Eye Expert technology. It's totally safe for both men and women. And you can use it on your legs, arms, underarms, bikini line, and even the face. The Braun app is also a fantastic bonus. It guides you step by step, tracks your treatment progress, and even reminds you when it's time for your next session. This ensures you cover every spot evenly. No patchiness, no missed areas. The best part? It's completely pain-free. You'll feel a gentle warmth, but no irritation or redness. And after just a few sessions, you'll start noticing visibly smoother skin and slower hair regrowth. Product highlights. The Braun Pro 7 is dermatologist-approved and clinically tested for safety and performance. It's truly built to last, giving you salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion, maintaining your regular routine, or just want to save time and money, this is a long-term investment in your skin confidence. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty, so you know Braun stands behind their quality and results. If you're serious about achieving permanent hair reduction and silky smooth skin that truly lasts, the Braun Smart IPL Pro 7 is absolutely worth it. I've added the official Amazon link in the description below, so make sure to check it out and grab yours while it's still on deal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest tech and beauty reviews.